Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Motorola Edge 30 Fusion has a stereo speakers. So to check that, first let's locate all of the speakers on this device, and the first one is on the bottom right here. Next is on top of the screen, and that's a phone call speaker right here. Nothing on the top side. And on the sides, left and right, also nothing, back, nothing. Now let's play some music and cover each of the speakers while doing that. And if the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. So now let's try that. So the sound is coming from both of the sources, this one, and I can confirm that this device has a stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.